Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I'm back in the kitchen again. So what I'm gonna prepare for you today is Jamaican oxtail with butter bean. Normally I can use broad bean, but me all the way in Alaska, so me get butter bean, me get Grace butter bean. So I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna put in my oxtail now. I have some chopped garlic, but first I wash off my oxtail with vinegar and lime. That's, you know, that does cut out all of the rawness. Okay, so I wash it already. So here I have my, gonna put in there some garlic, some piece of ginger, your onion, and your piece of thyme, and your scallion. You're gonna need some browning. You're gonna need all-purpose. Me I use this, and I'm not gonna add no salt in the pot because this already having everything in there, and some pepper. Okay, so I'm gonna season up this and just put it down today on Friday, and I'm gonna look about it Sunday morning. So that's gonna season it up today and make it go and marinate until Sunday morning. Okay, so I just have to season it up now. Yeah, so I just put my garlic, wash them, cut them up and wash them already. So I just cut up my, I'm gonna cut it up. Yeah. And put in my thyme, my scallion, and my ginger. Gonna add my onion, and this is about 1.5 pounds of oxtail, about 1.5 or 2 pounds of oxtail. But let's pick up a tray of oxtail. Yeah. So add some pepper. Just gonna add your seasoning. Yeah. I remember when I use a seasoning, I have to add no salt. Yeah. And now I gotta add some sweet pepper. Yeah, me no want when I season the meat, me not like use the color sweet pepper. When I season meat, me use the green sweet pepper. Yeah, and when I use the vegetable now, me just use the color sweet pepper. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna season up this, rub it up, and just cover it to marinate until Sunday morning. I'm gonna go rub it up now. Hi guys, good morning. Yes, it's not 12 yet, so it's still morning. Here I have my oxtail, and I marinated it from Friday, and today is Sunday, so I'm gonna cook it now guys. So I'm gonna open it, I'm gonna show you how it's still. Yes, so just come with me, make I show you how to look about Jamaican oxtail with butter bean. And this is the pot, and just I make the pot well hot, and then after that I'm going to show you the amount of oil I put in there. I'm not going to put a lot of oil in there because the oxtail, trust me, when I put it in the pot, it always spring up a lot of oil, so you don't want to put a lot of oil in there now. Okay. Yeah, and I'm using olive oil, and guess what? Not because the olive oil you're using, you're gonna full your pot of oil. No. It's the reason why I put the oil in there, because I don't want the oxtail to stick up at the bottom of the pot. You understand? Yeah. So look now. This is the amount of oil in there. It look like no oil not even in there. You understand? Yeah. So you don't want full pot of oil. Everybody cook different still. I don't use one pot oil. I have some oil in here, so I fry some chicken. So I'm not talk about this, I'm talk about the oxtail, okay? Yeah. So when you go through the oxtail, I go take a little while to cook. It depends, sometimes it's tough, sometimes it cook quicker than what we expect. Yeah, so when I go put the season in when I go put the seeds, everything in the pot one time. Now just put the oxtail in there, put some little water in there and just make it one cook down and just check it. When it's half cooked now, we just put the seasoning in there and everything, okay? Yeah. And therefore 1.5 weeks left to Christmas. You check every Jamaican every Jamaican out in a Jamaica. Majority of them cook oxtail Sunday morning, Sunday afternoon. You see me, friend? Yeah, so this is Jamaican, one of Jamaican Christmas dish, oxtail and rice and peas. Oxtail and gungo rice and peas, Sunday morning, Christmas dinner. Sunday afternoon, because to Christmas, they always cook early on Sunday. You see, just the oxtail you put in there, and you see all of this now, just cover it, and just put it until oxtail half cook. Yeah. Now just stick the water in the pot. Yeah. So I stick the water in the pot now. That was one cook now. Yes, this is how it looks so far. So what I'm gonna, it's half cooked now. So I'm gonna put in my seasoning, and then I'm gonna put in my bean, and then just let it stew down. Okay. I put the seasoning in there, so I'm just gonna cover it a little, make it cook down for about 15 minutes, and then I add my butter bean. Guys, it's almost cooked. So what I'm gonna do now is to put my butter bean in there. And guys, when you're using a tin item in your food or anything, doing anything, remember to wash off your tin. And if you want, you can tear off the paper, but you don't have to do it if you don't want. But we do it, okay? Yeah. So we're just gonna put in the butter bean. Some people use 2 butter bean, depends on how much pound of meat you use. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some little ketchup. Just a little. Yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna leave this for 5 minutes to 8 minutes. Just make it just simmer down, and then we just lock it off. So I will soon show you the finished look, okay? Guys, this is the finished look of my Jamaican oxtail with butter bean, Jamaican style, Jamaican recipe. Guys, try it and tell me all about it down in the comment box. And guys, big up on yourself, and thank you so much for watching, guys. It tastes so nice, even though it don't have a lot of powder season. Yes, it just have some herb. Yes guys, so big up on yourself, and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, share and comment, and guys, thumbs up if you love this video, and big up on yourself. Okay, bye.
Mama, we need some more